Learning can be tough if you don't have a right guidance or a teacher to guide you and provide you all the knowledge required. Good evening from the top of the world. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys what is Udemy and how you can download it on your phone. So Udemy is a global destination for teaching and learning online. It was founded in May 2010 by Aaron Bali, Gagan Biani and Ope Kaglar. As of July 2022, the platform has more than 54 million students, 204,000 courses and 71,000 instructors teaching in over 75 languages. So how to download it on your phone? You're going to go to Play Store or App Store. You're going to click Udemy and you're just going to click on install. This is the official app of Udemy and it will be installed in few seconds, and all you're going to do is install it, download it and create an account, and you are easy to go and you are well settled to learn of various courses online. So this is how you download Udemy on your phone, and if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.